a third problem. It's a similar kind of simple interest thing, but they're trying to trick you. The first part you did great. The actual amount of the loan is $1,114. So everything else beyond that must be the interest. So interest is 1, 2, 2 minus 4, $7.72. So just like in the previous problem, when we had the whole amount for the year, and then the actual amount was smaller because it wasn't a whole year that we waited, a similar situation has happened. So we have 11 days. So 772 is 11 days of what bigger amount? Does that make sense to ask as our first question? We always need, as an intermediate, what's the interest for a whole year? So that's the first thing we're going to try and find again. So translate that. $772 becomes equals 11 divided by 365. 365 is that. So 0.030137, or I don't want to round too much in the middle. Of becomes times, and y is what? We have something stuck onto y with times. So we're going to get y by itself by dividing by that amount. Now I rounded it just because I was writing it on the board, but I actually don't want to round in the middle of the problem if I can avoid it. So I won't. That's why my calculator has a previous answer button. I'm just going to do 7.72 divided by my previous answer. And I get 256.16, and that's money, so I can just write it as money. So that's the entire year's interest. So now we want the interest rate. So how much of the loan amount is that? Like part divided by whole to get a decimal. Is it okay that I'm writing my division like a fraction? Put my dollar signs on, but it doesn't really matter. So 256.16 divided by the loan amount. Gives me about 0.23. That's a great answer, except that they want it as a percentage. So rip-lop into percent to the right. We get 23%.
No.